Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today my name is Alama. You're welcome. So this is the dress I want to alter to this basic baby dress. So let's begin without wasting time. I start by removing the zipper of the dress so that I can be able to cut out whatever I need. So I set the dress like this on a table. You are supposed to already have the measurements of what you are working with. So like my baby is 22-inch, her full length, but I want to make a 20-inch dress for her, not very full. So I start with measuring out 26 inches on the dress. I'll cut it out. I'll cut the 26 inches out. Actually, this used to be my maternity dress when I was pregnant. So since I gave birth, I'm not wearing it again. So that is why I want to alter it for my baby. The material, the Ankara is still new, so I can't be able to throw it away. So the 26 inches I put it on fold like this, so that half will be for the front downside and the other half will be for the back side. I mean the down bodies of the dress. So I went ahead and cut the 26 inches into two so that it can be 13 inches. So like so, this is for the front side and this is for the back side. So I now went ahead to cut out the sleeves of the dress so that the upper bodies of the dress I can use for the upper bodies of my own baby's dress I'm trying to make. I remove the sleeves. So I also remove the last part of the sleeve. You just have to be wise in doing this so that you don't end up wasting your fabric and not achieving what you want when it comes to alterations. Another thing is to also have a pattern. So I have my baby's pattern here. This is the back pattern and the other one is the front pattern. So when you have a pattern, it helps you manage your fabric and achieve what you want. So I'm gonna ahead to pin down the pattern on the upper bodies of my dress. So for this pattern, it's actually 5-inch. I made this pattern for her when she was 6 months old. So I think I'll make a new video about a basic pattern for a 1 year. Right now she's 1 year, and her half bodies from her shoulder to her waist right now is 7 inches. So I'll alter this pattern. That is why I'm extending mine. And as I'm doing it on fabric now, I'm supposed to put allowance for the joining. I will join the upper bodies to the lower bodies, then I also put 1 inch for the darts. That's what I did. Yeah, so I'll also go ahead and do it for the back measurements too. So I've gone ahead to attach my clothes stay. So this is the pattern that are already on fabric. This is the clothes that I've ironed it on the top side, on the upper bodies. So it helps your clothes to stay firm and thick, not looking so worn out. This is not a new cloth. I've used it once actually. So this is the base I want to use for the waist design. So my patterns are all ready. I'll now go ahead to sew. Now pick my waist design. This is a secret in baby dresses. You want to put something some sort of design on their clothes. It makes their clothes to stand out and look really quite beautiful, and makes your work stand out. So I'll go ahead and complete my joining so that my dress can be ready. So right here I'm trying to bring together my pieces for the back side. Everything is getting all set and ready. I've joined the back bodies to the front bodies. You can pick my waist design there with the rolls also made from the dress. So this is the what I use to line the down part. If you want your baby dresses to be fuller, you can still use a hardness, but I don't want to use for this one. So I use ordinary lining with the color of one of the Ankara. So this is the dress. It is ready. It is quite ready and looking really beautiful. And I also went ahead to put a button on the waist to see it. So let's fit my baby. You see it? See the way it looks on her, so beautiful. And wow, somebody is enjoying her dress. You see the way it fits her so much. That is why it is really good to use your patterns when you are making dresses. Your patterns go a long way to help it make you not to make amendments. So thank you for watching my videos. Bye.